Okay, folks, we're going to be putting together one of these portable wardrobe closets that I just got off of Amazon. I just took out the poles and we're going to start putting it together. This thing should go together pretty quick. I'll show you these when I take these out, but these all just kind of click in together, and it looks like this goes together pretty quick. All right, so the instructions look pretty simplistic. You have these plastic connectors that connect the different pipes together. You just kind of slide them in and connect them. I'm going to put a couple together and then I'll show you. All right, so look, this is pretty straightforward when you're putting these in. You literally, I'm going to try and do this one-handed so I can show you, but you literally just slide these in all the way down. So you slide them in, you make sure they're in, and you keep connecting them around. I'm going to get some of these connected up and I'll show you what it's going to look like. So this is like being a kid and putting together an erector set. You basically just slide in all the pieces. So you have, like in this case, you put the legs together, you put this in, and you kind of keep just putting it together. So I got these couple of sections in there. You literally just keep putting in your pipes, putting in your connectors. So I'm going to keep doing that and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, something I'm going to mention as you go along. When you're doing the bottom, you need to put the cross beam together and then put these on, because if not, it's not going to let you put it on afterwards. So you need to put these cross beams and then slide it on and then keep going that way. All right, we got one row down and we're going to keep going. It's the same thing. You just keep putting these connectors on. We have to do another row that also has these bottoms for storage. So we're going to keep on going. Okay, we got 2 levels down. We're rocking and rolling. Now the process is the same thing. We just keep on building up. Okay, we are getting there. This is literally like a Tinker toy. You keep putting together the pieces, put together the poles. The triples will go in the back, the singles go in the front, so we'll be able to hang here in the middle. Anyway, we'll keep going, but this is almost done. Okay, so I just put it against the wall and I just put the cover on it. This basically just slides right over, if you see. This zips so it closes, but you see this is basically the finished product. You got your poles here, so you can hang all your clothes. You got your storage down there. It's the same thing. So you basically just slide this over. This zips up, which, let's see if we can do this one-handed. We zip the other side. It's the same thing. Then we zip it from the bottom and we're all set. And that's basically our extra storage. I'm going to start putting things in it. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll also leave the link to this in the description as well. Okay, folks, this is just to show you how many jackets this thing's holding for me now. So we're going to use this as an extra storage coat closet, and we still have all the storage on the bottom as well. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos.